Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Jess. If you're new, hi, I'm Jess. Today is a requested review slash demo slash my opinions on this palette from my friend Crystal and a couple of you guys because it's a really good palette. I love Chichi Cosmetics. They're one of my favorite brands. If you see me sweating, it's a really friggin' hot day. Currently meant to be in autumn, but it's already like 31 and a bit degrees, so sweating my balls off, it's a thing. So yeah, sweat might be a thing. Background, not sure if I like, but lighting I do like. So anywho, without much rambling, we're going to get on into a look. And I'll give you my thoughts at the end as I do. I've already done a first impressions on this video palette. If I can find that video, I'll link that down below for you guys. I love this palette. I've used it a bunch of times, haven't really used it much on this channel. But if you want me to, I can. I plan on doing like, you know, 3 looks 1 palette type thing. And yeah, let's get some colour on my eyeballs. I am filming in my kitchen, which is a little bit weird, but I've been kicked out of my normal filming spot like I'm a pro YouTuber or something, but you know. I need a mirror. Hang on a minute. Alright, this will do. If I can bloody open it. I can never open anything on my channel. A new thing by Australis that I will be doing a review on. But that's for another video. I don't know what type of look I'm going for. Oh, it does actually come with a mirror. Oh, I forgot about it because I haven't used this palette for a long time. Alright, well that's handy. Alright, that's what she looks like. Isn't she beautiful? Look at it, look at it, look at it. Oh, look at it. Very pretty. Don't know what kind of look I want to do. It's very warm tone. The reason I haven't really got too many of their new palettes is because I've got a big collection. We like it big on this channel. And I know some of them just didn't grab my attention, you know, colour story wise, whereas yeah, it's a thing. But I'm going to set my eyelids with the cream shadow. Just that one at the end, there's a bit of kickback. But it's a good pigmented cream. I like a matte cream. These are just drugstore brushes that I've got in my collection. So let me know if you want me to do a video of my fave brushes, because I can do that. Most are from here in Australia, some are from eBay, so yeah, that's the thing. And I'm not bald, it's just I've got like a little bun thing happening. I don't know what to do with my hair today. That's the story of my life. Alright, transition colour. Go in with that shade. It's kind of like a mustardy brown, almost a baby poo colour, but we'll call it a mustardy brown. They do have a lot of pigment. I really like these palettes. They're very similar quality to Morphe. Pick up really well. Buffing that into my damn hooded crease. The joys of hooded eyelids. I've just caught up on the other eye. These blend out superbly well. They're really good quality. As you can see, they're not patchy. I hope you can see. They blend out really well. I'm going to deepen it up a little bit more with, actually no, I'm going to add some warmth with that shade. I really don't know what I'm doing. I'm literally just playing with colour because that's the fun of makeup. That's picking up. This is a little sports girl brush and it's a small one that I like to use just to taper, to like to put into my crease more. color combo is actually working. Just taking this original brush. Alright, so I've caught up with that eye. They blend really well, they don't go muddy. The colours are actually really quite vibrant, and I haven't even used an eye base apart from concealer and like setting. I think they're really pretty. I'm wondering what to go next. Take that colour and put it in the outer V section. This is an MCO Beauty brush from the Christmas collection. They just apply so well. Then going back in with that original flat shader brush. I love the warmth that it's given. It's really pretty. And then for the shimmer, actually no, I'm going to go in with a little bit of a burgundy colour. And then that shimmer on the lid. So this is where we are. I'm going to put that shimmer on the lid with my finger. This is what it looks like. It's super pretty. Now it's coming together. I'm going to do the lower lash line just with this brush again with a little bit more of that baby poo khaki colour almost. And then a pinch of that orange. For brow bone, I'm going to go in with that matte cream. And inner corner highlight, I'm going to go with that pretty shade. I'll come back after I've done the finished eye and then give you my thoughts if you need this palette, and yeah, that'll be the review. Okay, so this is the final finished look. I really like how it turned out. I changed up the lippy because I wasn't really feeling the other nude that I was wearing. So this is the Rimmel Stay Matte in Firestarter. It's a really gorgeous cool toned red. I love it. And this is the look. For eyeliner, I've got the MCO Beauty eyeliner. I love this eyeliner. It reminds me so much of the Urban Decay one. So good. And then for the inner corner of my eye, I've just got the Australis Metal AF liquid eyeshadow thing in Pearl. So yeah, gorgeous palette. Really happy with how this turned out. I think the only downside is the size. I mean, we do like big on this channel, but the problem is with big is that I find it really hard to store. I find things like really hard to store, and as you can see, like it's literally the size of my head. I do have a big head though, so you know. Overall, like, these are gorgeous shadows. You get 35 eyeshadow shades, I think, or is it 54? I don't remember. But yeah, any kind of like information I've missed out, I'll put it in the description box down below because I'm having a chronic fatigue brain moment and I can't really talk proper sentences. go me. And yeah, it's cruelty free. It's available at Target and Myer. I paid $30 something on sale. It's often on sale, so don't pay like $50. But honestly, like, so many good shades. Highly recommend this palette. You need. It's just approved. Okay guys, that was my little review. Let me know if you'd like me to do a 3-look 1 palette type thing, and I can certainly do that, or kind of like a 1 brand per month thing. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.